You're recording. I don't like this song very much.
Yeah. Okay, change it. This is us trying to dance. No, never. I'm so tired of all that girly drama stuff. It's not. It's still girly and drama-y. I don't like it.
This is getting closer.
We'll just wait. So it's like...
What time is it anyways? Loser. What if it's like 2?
12:30.
Oh, it's not that bad.
On
We're doing
January 17th. Our limit is like 2:30 because we have a track meet tomorrow. Yeah. We might do bad, but I think we'll do good.
This is a dumb song.
No.
What the heck? We did that too.
Oh,
You want to see?
Okay.
Right here's mine. And
Mine.
there's Megan.
Piggy.
The piggy. Mine's a cheetah.
Everything I do, on my heart just like a tattoo.
You're bad.
My tattoo. Join my tattoo. It's happening. We sing to each other's tattoos. This is a good song. Oh wait, we need to turn it down a little bit. Turn it down.